Rubber brooms have become a must-have cleaning tool for homes with pets, high-traffic floors, and stubborn debris. Unlike traditional brooms, these feature static charged bristles that grab hair, dust, and dirt more efficiently, while often including List number Conliwell Upgrade Broom and Dustpan Set, self-cleaning with dustpan teeth. The Conliwell Upgrade Broom and Dustpan Set is designed for convenient, mess-free sweeping. Featuring rubber bristles that attract pet hair, dirt, and fine particles, it ensures efficient cleaning across hardwood, tile, and carpet surfaces. The integrated dustpan teeth allow you to comb out debris from the bristles without using your hands, keeping the broom clean with minimal effort. The set also has a compact stand-up design, making storage simple in tight spaces. List 2. FURemover Original Pet Hair Rubber Broom with Squeegee. 58-inch handle. FURemover is a household favorite for pet owners. Its static-charged rubber bristles pull pet hair, lint, and dust from carpets and rugs with ease. The 58-inch handle makes it easy to reach under furniture and clean large areas without bending. A built-in squeegee is perfect for wiping away spills and cleaning windows, making this a true multi-purpose cleaning tool, ideal for households with multiple pets or heavy shedding. List 3. MR.SIGA Pet Hair Removal Rubber Broom with built-in squeegee. 3-in-1 floor brush. The MR.SIGA 3-in-1 rubber broom is a versatile cleaning solution combining a hair remover, floor brush, and squeegee. Its durable rubber bristles work on carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles, lifting dirt and pet hair effectively. The telescopic handle adjusts to different heights, reducing strain during cleaning. Its built-in squeegee makes it easy to tackle liquid messes, while the lightweight design ensures effortless handling. Perfect for daily use in busy households. List 4. Conliwell Rubber Broom Carpet Rake for Pet Hair FURemover. Conliwell's rubber broom carpet rake is specifically designed for deep cleaning carpets and removing embedded pet hair. The flexible rubber bristles generate static electricity to lift dirt and fur that traditional brooms often miss. Its sturdy handle provides control during use, while the lightweight build ensures comfortable handling. Suitable for carpets, rugs, and even hardwood floors. This broom excels in homes with multiple pets or high-trafficked areas. List number 5. Rubber Broom Carpet Rake for Pet Hair Removal. This rubber broom carpet rake offers an affordable yet highly effective cleaning solution for pet owners. Its dense bristles collect hair, dust, and dirt from various surfaces, while the squeegee feature makes it a dual-purpose tool. Ideal for cleaning large areas quickly, this broom is also easy to rinse and maintain. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended cleaning sessions, making it a practical addition to any home cleaning kit.